Today is Monday, March 18th. This is the 1976 Winnebago hydraulic hydrobooster. This is the brake assist system introduced in 1976 and is specific to the Winnebago motorhome, very similar to the Cadillac Eldorado, although it has a different size spool valve and has an extended length push rod. Very unique. Okay, very unique and specific to the Winnebago motorhome. Outside of that, the primary unit is very similar except for the spool valve and the bore. The unit has been completely disassembled, and the primary bore for the spool valve has been precision lapped as it has had internal contaminants and corrosion in the bore. And so the seals have been replaced, the spool valve has been replaced, and the gas charged accumulator has been replaced as well. Okay, so this will be going to my friend Robert, who's going to be picking it up here locally in Largo, Florida. And this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage General Motors items. I've done probably over 500 of these hydro boosters, primarily for Cadillacs and Cadillac Eldorados, starting from 76 all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage General Motors items, and of course the hydro boosters as exemplified in this particular instance, including the GM motorhomes as well as the Winnebagos and other critical hard to source original vintage General Motors items. Today is Monday, March 18th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.